Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to discuss device visibility. Divi theme gives you the option of showing different modules and sections on different devices, such as tablet and mobile. I'll demonstrate this. If you look at this top module here, it says desktop on it. I've actually got 3 modules here, and when we change devices, they'll change the module for me. I'm using Google Chrome with a great inspector tool, so if I hit F12, it'll bring up the inspector here. If I bring up the responsive devices toggle, you can choose how you want to view it. So we're selecting an iPad right here, and as you can see, it's turned blue and says tablet. If I select a mobile phone, you'll see it change green and it'll say mobile. If I get rid of the responsive devices altogether, it'll go back to our purple one for the desktop. And this is really great for when you're doing your designs. You can create different versions for tablet, mobile and desktop. So let's get started and I'll show you how to do it. I'm going to enable the Visual Builder. And as you can see, I've got 3 different sections here. The blue one and the green one are slightly grayed out or slightly more opaque to demonstrate that they're not going to be visible on this view. If I switch views with a little purple button here to tablet, you'll see the tablet one's bright and the other 2 are sort of light. And on mobile, the green one's going to stand out. So let's show you how to do this. I'm going to go back to desktop view and I'm going to delete all these. For simplicity, I'm just going to use a call to action module for this today, but you can do this on modules, rows and sections. So let's add a module. There's our call to action. I'm just going to put desktop on this one. And let's make its background purple perhaps. Now I'm going to go over to advanced and down to visibility, and I'm going to say disable on phone and tablet, so it's only going to be showing on the desktop version of this. Let's save that. Let's duplicate this now. Little 2 squares to duplicate. I'm going to go into this one. Let's say tablet on this one. I'm going to go over to the advanced visibility. I want to disable it on desktop and phone. As you can see, it's kind of made it light in colour. Let's change the background colour of that so we can tell the difference. We'll make that one blue. Now we'll save that. Let's duplicate it again. 2 little squares. We'll go in. Let's call this one mobile or phone. Now let's change its background colour to perhaps green. And we'll go over down to visibility again. And we just want this one on phone, so let's disable it on tablet and desktop. As you can see, we've got 3 right there. The tablet and mobile are slightly paler than the other ones to denote they're not going to view in this mode. We'll save our changes. Flip modes again, and remember it's a little purple button down here if you don't have it open. We'll go over. Desktop's fine. If we switch to tablet mode, the blue one is going to show and these 2 are a little pale. And our green one's there for mobile, and the other 2 are a little pale right there. So let's save our changes here. Save draft or publish if you're ready. Exit the Visual Builder. And again, make sure this is going to work on the front end. So again, I'm going to hit the F12 to bring up my Chrome Inspector tools. I'm going to hit the responsive toggle. And there we are on the iPhone. Our green one's showing that says mobile. Let's switch it to iPad. And our blue one shows that says tablet. Now let's take it off altogether and put it on responsive. You can actually drag it to the size that you want it. And as we get bigger than regular mobile, you'll see it flip to tablet. And as we get regular to desktop state, it'll flip to desktop. And you can see the dimensions up here. So let's get rid of that. And we'll go back in there. And there's plenty of other ways of customizing your content for desktop, tablet and mobile versions. For instance, let's enable the Visual Builder again. And let's go into this one. And if we go over to design, let's have a look at the text, the title text. And this is common to most settings in here. If we go down, start writing and hover over it, if there's a little mobile phone type icon there, there is on most of these, you can go in there, you can set different sizes for desktop, tablet and mobile. For instance, on the desktop, let's make this large. On the tablet, let's make it a little smaller. And on the mobile, let's make it smaller again. And what we've actually got to do here is I'll put visibility back on this so we can see it on all devices, so that we can see the actual text shrink down when we change device size. And just to make it a little more fun, let's go to the content, go to the background, and we'll do a similar thing for background. Here we've got the little mobile. So on desktop, let's leave it purple. On tablet, let's make it red. And on phone, let's make it blue. Okay. We'll save this now. And exit the Visual Builder. Now remember, when we shrink down to desktop, we're going to have these other two appear because I haven't adjusted those. But what we're looking at here is the color, background color, and the size of our title text up here. So let's get my inspector up again, F12. Hit the responsive toggle. And let's choose iPad. And as you can see, it's turned red. And there's our one that's visible on the iPad only as well. And the text has shrunk a little bit. And let's put it on a mobile device. And it's turned blue and it's gone smaller. And of course, we've still got our one that's visible just on the mobile there. So there you go, guys. That's how to use device visibility with a fantastic Divi theme. And like I say, that little bit about the options you can do for just about anything in there. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.